Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well by the grace of Allah. In the last class, I discussed about the tense. Today, I shall discuss about the voice, particularly active voice, passive voice. Dear students, notice properly. I have written two sentences on the whiteboard. One is I eat rice, and the other is rice is eaten by me. This sentence is in active, and this sentence rice is eaten by me is in passive voice. Here, I is the subject in this sentence. This subject is active. So, this sentence is in active voice. Rice is the subject. This subject is in this sentence inactive. So this sentence is in passive voice. Dear students, when the subject is active, the sentence will be active voice, and when the subject is inactive, that sentence will be passive voice. Now question, how to change the active voice into passive voice? Dear students, you have to follow that taxa. I made you understand by writing this taxa. The object of the active voice. The object of the active voice will be the subject of the passive voice. Dear students, you have to recall the object of the active voice will be the subject of the passive voice, and then auxiliary verb, and then auxiliary verb according to the tense. Say number past participle of the verb, pronoun verb by preposition, 5 number the subject of the active voice will be the object of the passive voice. Dear students, you can change the active voice into passive voice following the rules. I write a sentence on the whiteboard. The student speak English in the class. The student speak English in the class. This sentence is in active voice. If you want to change the sentence from the active voice into passive voice, you have to find out firstly the subject. Here, the student is the subject in the sentence. Speaks is the verb, and English is the object in the sentence. In the class is the extension in the sentence. Firstly, you have to write the object of the active voice. So I write English. Here English is the subject, and then you have to write auxiliary verb. This sentence is in the present indefinite, so you have to write auxiliary verb is, and then you have to write the verb, particularly first participle of the base verb. Here speaks is the base form of verb. Spoken is the past participle of the speak. Then you have to write by preposition, and then you have to write the subject of the active voice is the object of the passive voice, the students. And then you have to write the extension in the sentence. Here in the class is the extension in the sentence. In the class. Dear students, in such way, you have to change the active voice into passive voice. The boy writes a letter. Dear students, notice it properly. The boy is the subject, writes is the verb, and a letter is the object. The boy, subject, writes verb, a letter, object. Dear students, a letter is object. This object you have to write firstly in the passive voice. So I write a letter. The subject as the subject in the passive voice. Dear students, notice it. A letter here is the subject in the passive voice, and then we have to write auxiliary verb. For this reason, you find out this sentence in what type of tense. Here the boy writes a letter. The sentence is in present indefinite tense. So a letter, the subject in the passive voice, and then must contain auxiliary verb is, because the letter is the subject, third person, singular number. Dear students, you have to recall when the subject, third person, singular number, that subject contains is auxiliary verb, and then you have to write past participle of the base verb. Here write in the sentence is base verb, and its participle is writing. Written. A letter is written. Then we have to write by preposition, and then, dear students, and then you have to write the subject of the active voice as the object of the passive voice. Here, the boy is the subject. The boy is the subject, and this boy here in the sentence is object. In such way, you have to change the active voice into passive voice. I think I made you understand by writing this sentence. Now I am giving homework. The learners of this is called to play football. Therefore, I have written a sentence on the paper for your homework. You try to change to sentences from active voice to passive voice. Thank you all watching. Allah Hafiz.